Trams in Edinburgh. 21st century inspiring transport for an inspiring capital. Fast, efficient, integrated. Connecting our capital, no matter who you are, what you're doing, or where you're going. Trams in Edinburgh will get you there easier than ever before. Convenient for everyone. Reducing traffic congestion and pollution. Whatever your reason to travel in Edinburgh, business, work, leisure or tourism, young and old alike, Trams in Edinburgh will provide the space and comfort expected from a modern, fully integrated, state-of-the-art transport system. Trams in Edinburgh will benefit everyone. Connecting people and places, making Edinburgh even more accessible. Boosting business, expanding tourism, bringing new opportunities for all. Trams in Edinburgh will reduce journey times. Once the working day is done, it's time to play. No matter who you are, trams are designed to meet your needs. Trams in Edinburgh recognise safety as a top priority. CCTV cameras on board and at key locations along the route, closing some carriages at night, and visible friendly conductors, preventing people from feeling vulnerable. Finally, carefully designed integrated safety features like the innovative front-end skirt and track system will provide the safest, most accessible, efficient and reliable transport system possible. Trams that are truly world-class.